Hello and welcome. Today we are taking a look at the IONFRAME A7, a full spectrum LED light from AC Infinity. I'm excited to see what we have here, so let's take a quick look and see what's inside the box. Before you cut into it, take a moment to inspect the box, look it over carefully for any damage that may have occurred during shipping. There is all kinds of stuff inside of this box. There is an RJ11 UIS adapter with some reading material. And an adapter for daisy chaining your lights so you can run multiple fixtures off of one controller. They give you heavy-duty adjustable rope clip hangers for mounting your light and setting its height effortlessly. There are metal hanging brackets that you can install on your fixture easily. An RJ11/12 extension cord. The power cord plugs into a standard 110 volt outlet here in the US, or 240 if you get an adapter. There is also a wire harness that clips in for easy connections, and a power cord extender so you can move the driver out of the tent. The driver is a solid chunk of aluminum and steel built separate from the light to help you manage heat in your grow. They package this light extremely well with lots of dense foam to ensure that it arrives at your home safely. And finally, the light itself. I am extremely excited to have the IONFRAME A7 in my grow. Now that Samsung has scaled back their LED production, AC Infinity has launched their own LED line, and I am eager to see how their new design performs in my grow. The IONFRAME A7 uses precisely spaced LEDs combining 3000K warm white, 5000K cool white, and 660 nanometer red diodes for full spectrum coverage across all growth stages. These LEDs are mounted on a thick heatsink that acts as a large cooling surface to pull heat away from the diodes to keep temperatures stable without the use of a fan. The whole setup is driven by a removable driver tied to the UIS platform for app control, sunrise, sunset, dimming, and scheduling. AC Infinity stays ahead of the curve for home growers consistently by rolling out new products and expanding their ecosystem so all their devices connect and work together seamlessly. They also back their community in real ways through frequent giveaways and free product offers, and by supporting food programs like the Snack Pack program with employee contributions and real commitment to helping the community. Overall, the IONFRAME A7 looks like a seriously well thought out fixture. With a smart design and a company that backs the community, this is definitely a light worth picking up. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all my future projects.